everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make the basket to store little things. You could use that for your sewing room or kit room, whatever. The interface in that I have, the length is the wide side is 11 inch and 3/4. So that's what I have. But if you want to cut even like the 12 inch by 12, 13 by 13, 14 by 14, feel free to do so. And I have cut two interfacing and two fabric, one lining and one main fabric. I'm gonna place the right side to the right side, and you're going to sew around this, but a 1/4 of an inch similar one, and you're going to leave about 2 or 3 inches open. So you're gonna sew around here or around, leave this open so you can inside out. So after I sew around and I left it here open, you can go around and trim the corners. So I'm gonna go inside out after I press all around this. You can leave the space bigger if you want to, because we're going to top stitch around. So whatever, if you want to leave 4 inches, 5, whatever size you want. I just left about 3 inches. So inside out, and then you're going to press around and iron this. And after that, you're going to iron the whole thing and go around here, press and iron, then you top stitch all 4 sides. So everyone, after I top stitch all around here, I'm going to fold to in half, the right side facing out. Make sure you clip it down. And then on the side here, you're going to mark 2.5 inches. And going in 2.5, and then you're going to connect this side, same thing to here, 2.5 and 2.5, connect. You're gonna sew on this line and sew on this line. Remember, when you sew your basket and then you come here and then you basket and then come out, do the same thing to here. After I sew on this, you go into turn to this different way, and then you make sure this going to match so you can sew the other side. This is so cute, very easy to make. Now you're going to lie this down, and from this side you're going to do exactly the same. You're gonna mark 2.5 inches, and then the other side 2.5 inches. So after you sew on the 4 corners, you're going to flap on each of the line here. Flap it down, make sure it's even like this. You can iron if you want to. You're gonna do all 4 corners, and when you're done right here, you're gonna sew. So everyone, after I sew this down, so on this side right here, you can fold it down to here, or you can leave it like that. It's up to you. But it right here on the side, you're gonna just flap it down. Do that to all sides. How simple that is. That is so cute, and it's easy. Everyone can do this. And this is a good side to put the gift in here, or put the flower, the vase, or the ice cream, whatever. Okay, I just give you an idea, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Now you're going to add the button for the side. I'm using the white button so it can show more like that. You're gonna go in here, and then you sew. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get the button. Alright, so I have 4. I'm gonna sew this 4 button on the side. This is super easy to sew the button. But I'll show you. Some people don't know how. So basically you're gonna go from here underneath. Go on like this. And then one more time. You can go and sew it in and out from the inside too if you want. And then the button. Go in one hole here, and then 2. And then sew it. Sew it down. So you either way, you can go inside, like inside here. I'll show you so you don't see a big gap. Okay, so after you sew it like this, you're gonna go from the inside where the side that you just sew, and then go right next to it and going up, and then going down. You can do white thread or you can do yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna go right next to it and then going up, so that way that when you're done you don't have a big giant thread that's showing inside. I'll show you from the inside. You see just that little thing right there. It didn't sew much. So you can do about 2 or 3 times, and then you go on in here, you slide it under the thread that you just sew. Go 1 time, and then 1 more. Slide that, include a fabric. Okay, and then you here, you're going to make the loop and coming out. That's basically it. And then you're going to do the other 3 sides. So pretty and easy to do. That is that, everyone. I finished with the basket, and it's so beautiful, and it's easy to do. It's very hard because the interfacing that I use, it is so cute. The side of this one side to the other is 5 inches, and the height is 3.5 inches. That's so cute. You can put the clip in here or whatever you put inside, and then on this here you can put the pencil or crochet hook or whatever. Okay, I just give you an idea what to do, but you can put anything in there. Whatever you like to put, you put in there. That is so adorable. Or you can put the basket of candy. Feel free to do so. Love you. Stay safe. Take care, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all of you that always comment on my video and always check on me. Love you. Stay safe, everyone. Take care.